It is time. Some of the light round competitor. That's right. Rock Rock Holdings hitting this stock. Buy, sell, split, jump, good. No, the core stock question. Got my step for the good, but we play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. I'm going to start with Julian in Florida. Julian.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for taking the call.
Great, you're with me. What's going on?
Nothing much. I'm actually from Philly, but I'm calling from Jacksonville, Florida. I just wanted to ask you a question about Hawaiian Electric. I recently started a position in it. I saw it was kind of low, so I said, man, this looked like a good investment. So I want to know your thoughts on that. Do you think
I still fear it.
level?
I still fear it after the environmental damage. I am concerned that you can't really put a price on it. I understand it's $11. It seems like the price, but I am concerned that the stock could be worth still too much versus I think that the fires were too great, and therefore the stock could still go lower. Let's go to Sal in New York. Sal.
What's cooking, Cramer?
Well, not much right now. How about you?
Well, we got real good Paulie's Pomodoro sauce brewing. Hey, some people like making meatballs. I like making money.
I like that. I share that.
You had the pom-poms out for this energy transfer company a couple of years ago. For better or for worse, it pays a small dividend, has a stock repurchase in place, has a small float, but our administration's backwards energy policies are causing their ships and stock to be sinking. Is this a perfect example of we should be buying when everyone is crying? The company is Excelerate Energy, EE.
I would. I think that the notion that there should be a pause in 2028 was one of the dumber things the administration has done, because that canceled a lot of projects that take like 5-6 years to do, and that's why that stock's going so low. I'd be willing to bet that they have to change that 2028, and that stock's going to fly. Let's go to John in Michigan. John.
Hey, Jim. Love the show.
Thank you.
I wanted to know what your thoughts were on gold, silver, and Sibanye Stillwater, SBSW.
Yeah, that's a strange company. I mean, we don't know really enough about it. We know it has a yield. We know that it's got good properties. Historically, I liked Stillwater. I didn't know the other part of it. So I think you're okay, but I will come back because I don't want to recommend something and it turns out it doesn't have the right assets. Let's go to Christine in California. Christine.
Hello, Jim. Thanks for taking my call.
Thank you. What's up?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How can I help?
I have a question on stock symbol PEN, and I'd just like to know your thoughts.
Okay, medical device, I'm going to send you to Abbott Labs because at 110, that's the right stock to buy. The stock got hit very big on some litigation risk that I don't think is warranted. I would rather see you in ABT than PEN. Let's go to Joe in New York. Joe.
Hey, Jimbo, what's going on?
I don't know, just doing the show. How about you?
I'm pretty good. I'm with my investment advisor, Susie Cramer, my dog. We want to ask your advice on EMR.
All right, EMR is now it's working. I was upset that they did a hostile takeover. They fixed the situation, and the stock's been a horse. And because it's one of those companies that's levered to the data center and to the reshoring, reindustrialization. So what can I say? It's working. It didn't work, and now it's working. Let's go to Peter in New York. Peter.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill. How are you, sir?
I am well. How about you?
Good. Your wisdom, humor, knowledge is second to none. And your crew, man, Sean, Kevin, Nicole, and Alyssa, boy, they're also number one, too. Second to none.
You're absolutely right. I'm glad you mentioned all the names because they're fabulous. They are fabulous. How can I help?
I just have to give one quick shout-out to Marty M., who's been a fan of yours but afraid to call you for years. Marty M., Jimmy's on the line, and he loves to be watching the show and laughing.
Marty, come on.
You're the best, sir. Anyway, my question is about Ford.
Right, well, I think Ford's doing well. I mean, but, the yield's 4.5. It's the stock's starting to come back. It is underperformed GM, but it is up 10% for the year, and I don't think that that's all that bad. I do think that GM up 23% must make Jim Farley feel like, wow, I got to do something. But I do like the story, and I think that the trust has a big position, and I feel very good about it. Let's go to Harash in South Carolina. Harash.
Hey, we are Jim Cramer from Indian Person Club member.
long-time listener, made a lot of money by your advice.
Oh, thank you.
And you are a very genuine person. And I told to a lot of Indian friends that go to this club and become member. His advice is helping me to make money and make the decision that I should buy or not buy. And it helped me a lot since last 15 years. So
well,
thank you for doing all those for us. My question is regarding Vertex Pharmaceutical.
Which one? I'm sorry. Vertex is terrific. I love it. The CF franchise is just amazing. It's such a horrible disease. I think Vertex is very, very good. People worry about the pain medicine. I'm not. And that, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.